Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to wash my hair for the first time by myself. So this is actually the second time that I wet my hair after having it in for 3 months and not putting any water on it at all. The only thing that I was doing during that time was oiling my scalp, but this is my second time wetting my hair. I was actually scared to wet it before because I didn't want them to unravel. Because my locks are still pretty premature, I didn't want to risk it. But after watching a lot of different videos and realizing that water locks your hair up faster and is actually good for your hair, I decided to give it a try. I'm someone who has to drench my whole body from head to toe every time I get in the shower, so it felt really good to be able to finally do that with being able to wet my hair. The Bounce Back shampoo from the Raw Sugar brand is the shampoo that I decided to go ahead and try for the first time on my hair. I actually use the same brand as my body wash and shower gel. It was important for me to do the research that I needed so that I could find a really good shampoo for my hair. I didn't want any dryness, I didn't want any buildup, so those are like the two main things, as well as natural ingredients. As you can see, this has agave, mango butter, and carrot oil, which has some really great benefits for your hair. I'm going to actually leave those description for you in the description box below. So I actually went ahead and grabbed some more soap because I didn't think that it was lathering up as much as I would have liked it. I'm just using the tips of my fingers to gently go through my scalp. Like I said before, my locks are still very premature, so I wanted to avoid unraveling at all costs. At this point, it still wasn't lathering up as much as I would have liked, but I still knew I had the soap on my fingertips, so I was just gently scrubbing away. It felt really, really nice. After like 4 to 5 minutes of rubbing it in and rinsing it out now, I hate getting water in my ears, so that's why I'm blocking my ears. To see how thick my roots have gotten over the past 3 months that I haven't had it retwisted. You can also see some budding happening in some of the locks. Also, there's a few unraveling, which is what I wanted to avoid, but it's all good. The unraveling parts are the ones that are like really thick in the middle or on the ends. a couple minutes. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my shower. So I realized I didn't wash all of the soap out of my hair, so I'm going back. Here's my hair after a fresh wash. Dripping, soaking. I love how this looks. It looks so thick. Some are unraveled, but it still looks really, really cute to me. Getting ready to retwist my hair for the first time using my aloe vera method. So click the next video if you guys are interested in checking that out. Peace.